Well, here we are, a rainy Monday morning. I guess it's not changed much, but you can see the petals are starting to fall. The rain's starting to bring them down, but Mr. Toby's helping me. He's just cut this grass. It's grown 6 inches in the last couple days. So my side is starting to fill out. I say my side, the back side, the plant's on my property line, but yeah, as they fill up with water, the older ones will fall off. I may come out here and pick some of them up out of the neighbor's yard. And this may be a year where I come in and I trim her back a little bit too. So, nothing from the sunflowers yet. I think Wednesday will be a week. Hopefully those seeds were good. Get ready for work here in a little bit. Throw some fertilizer down right before I go. Keep the grass healthy and the weeds under control. Senor Toby, how you doing? Looking for a potty spot? Yeah, that's what he's doing. So he won't show that. Alrighty, just a quick one. We'll probably continue on till all the blossoms are gone. This will be about a week behind schedule. I'm not gonna overload you all with these kinds of videos. Sure feels nice out here right now though. This light rain coming down. It was warm last night. It's supposed to be like this all week. What we really need is snow in the mountains. Oh well. Those little guys are doing good. Got another batch over there. Little citrus plant hanging in there. So there's your gardening update. I guess we can extend this for a second. I got a hoodie on. Neighbor's trees. Oh, we got standing water there. Neighbor's trees filling out. Got these to put in yet. There's where all the dirt came from. It's all pile from where I put the shed in years ago. That's new from last year. This little guy's new. This is lavender. No, it's a butterfly bush, I believe. I don't remember. But I've been working on cleaning this part up. A lot of weeds. My beauty bark ended about where the cypress is. Blueberry, he's coming back nice. Another blueberry. Bought those late last year. About the time Cuda left us. So that was a big project, digging all this up and mixing in a bunch of peat moss. And this little guy hopefully starts growing. Mom buy me one or one by one myself? I can't remember, but I put this in and there's real nice purple flowers. And then, just like Mom, got all the LED light up nighttime yard art stuff. So, we're ready. I gotta get moss off the roof of my shed. I got one of those pole saws, little chainsaw on the end of the pole. I need to get up there and take a couple of those branches down, but I can't find it. I don't know where I put it. It's buried in the garage somewhere, I'm sure. But alrighty, enough of this gardening. Not my favorite thing, but it does look nice. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.